Hi, this is Jessica with David & Sons Gardening. We are proud to serve the residents in and around Lancaster, meeting all of your landscaping and tree service needs. We have been in business for over 20 years. Our dedication to our craft and our years of experience make us your #1 choice here in Lancaster and beyond. David & Sons Gardening is experienced in all areas of landscaping, whether the job is a large commercial property or a small home. We take pride in every job we do. Allow us to come in and take care of any tree service needs you have. Our team has time-tested experience in landscape design and rock work. Let us handle your yard maintenance and cleanup, stump grinding, sod, sprinklers, and seasonal services. As you can see, no matter what you need done for your yard, we have the experience and expertise to complete the task in a timely, affordable manner. When you give us a call, you will be connected directly to one of our friendly staff who can answer any of your questions. After we give you an estimate, we will present you with a coupon for 10% off the service of your choice. That's how sure we are you will come to us again and again. So don't wait. Call now. We can't wait to hear from you.